Samsung has surged ahead in the realm of generative AI with its Galaxy S24 series, ushering in Galaxy A along with a host of features that amplify the driving experience of their flagship devices. Brace yourselves, as rumors swirl about Samsung's imminent breakthrough with the Galaxy S25. Speculation is rife that the upcoming Galaxy S25 will be powered by the next-generation Gaming Nano update from Google, marking a formidable collaboration between the two tech behemoths. This synergy promises a deluge of thrilling features in the forthcoming flagship lineup. The resounding success of the Galaxy S24 series, coupled with its Galaxy I, underscores Samsung's commitment to delivering an elevated user experience, setting the stage for the eagerly anticipated Galaxy S25 launch. While leaks hint at a strategic alliance between Samsung and Google for the second-generation Gaming Nano update, finer details regarding the enhancements across the trio of flagships remain shrouded in mystery. An intriguing query arises: will the Galaxy S25 series boast on-device generative AI capabilities, considering Galaxy I's current reliance on a blend of on-device and cloud-based AI? Alas, the grapevine fails to shed light on this aspect. However, with the impending arrival of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 chipsets, prospects for on-device AI functionality loom large, contingent upon industry players' receptivity to this paradigm shift. Moreover, uncertainty looms over whether the second-generation Gaming Nano will augment the existing Galaxy A suite or pave the way for a fresh branding approach by Samsung. In summation, the latest speculations leave us grappling with more questions than answers, urging caution against premature conjecture regarding Samsung's strategic trajectory. As the Galaxy S25 debut is several months away, we eagerly anticipate further revelations to fuel our discourse. Meanwhile, Samsung has unveiled its latest marvel in memory technology, the LPDDR5X. This cutting-edge solution boasts staggering speeds of up to 10.7 gigabits per second, solidifying its status as the industry's pace-setter. Not only does it offer expanded capacities of up to 32 gigabytes, but it also champions energy efficiency, a pivotal requirement in the burgeoning era of on-device AI. Samsung's DDR5X transcends its predecessors, delivering a seamless amalgamation of performance, capacity, and power efficiency, heralding a new era of technological prowess. In contrast to the much-anticipated Galaxy Fold 6, the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are poised to revolutionize mobile photography with their innovative camera hardware. While enthusiasts eagerly await these enhancements, scrutiny intensifies over the base Galaxy S25's memory specifications. According to renowned leaker Ice Universe, the vanilla Galaxy S25 is poised to debut with a modest 8 GB of RAM, a departure from its rivals' offerings. While this may suffice for routine tasks, Samsung risks lagging behind competitors who offer more robust memory configurations even on entry-level models. Exciting developments abound for Samsung aficionados, as the forthcoming One UI update promises to introduce a vertical app drawer, a long-awaited feature that is set to enrich the user experience. As the Android landscape evolves with Google's unveiling of the beta version of Android 15, anticipation mounts for Samsung's One UI 7 beta program, poised to commence post the Google I/O 2024 event. Samsung's commitment to democratizing innovation is further underscored by its decision to extend One UI 7 compatibility to 4 generations of Galaxy S phones, propelling users into a realm of unprecedented possibilities. In a remarkable turn of events, Samsung has reclaimed its mantle as the leading global brand in smartphone shipments, dethroning Apple with a commanding 20.8% market share, propelled by the resounding success of the S24 series. As we eagerly await the Galaxy S25's debut, speculation abounds, inviting enthusiasts to ponder the possibilities that lie ahead. Share your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup from Samsung in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until next time, peace out.